Hello everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to use cruise control on new cars. For example, this Vauxhall Corsa. In the Vauxhall Corsa, the cruise controls are on the wheel. Some of them might be, for example, on a display in other vehicles. On a Vauxhall Corsa, you would press a button that would look like this, and this can control the cruise speed of your car. It doesn't work right now because it's stationary, but the minimum cruise control speed is 30 miles an hour. You can increase it or decrease it however much you like. I think the maximum is 70 miles an hour or something. And when you press the brake, it disengages it.